Protect your personal data and reduce security risks by turning on Auto Blocker, a powerful safety feature built into Android phones like Samsung Galaxy phones. To enable Auto Blocker, opening the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Next, find and select Auto Blocker from the list of security options. You will see a toggle switch at the top of the screen. Tap the switch to turn Auto Blocker on. For security reasons, Samsung may ask you to verify your identity using your PIN, password, pattern, or fingerprint before the setting is changed. Once enabled, Auto Blocker helps keep your device safer in several ways. One of its most important functions is preventing the installation of apps from unauthorized sources. This means apps can only be installed from trusted stores such as the Google Play Store and Samsung Galaxy Store, reducing the risk of downloading malware or unsafe software. For most users, keeping Auto Blocker enabled is a smart choice because it improves security without affecting everyday phone usage. If you value your privacy and want to reduce the chances of accidentally installing harmful apps, turning on Auto Blocker is a simple but effective step. That's it. Your Samsung Galaxy device is now better protected and more secure.